f of x equals x e to the x. Now this is a product. So anytime you have a product, this part of the product let's call u. Let's say that's u. Okay? And this we'll call v. Okay, now the derivative of u is 1. What's the derivative of v? E to the x itself. Okay, then f prime of x is equal to uv prime x e to the x plus vu prime e to the x. Original times the other derivative plus original times the other derivative. With the product rule, it doesn't matter which one you do. You just have to pair an original with the other one's derivative. Okay? So now this says find the nth derivative. Okay, well, let's take the derivative. Let's take the derivative again. We already know what the derivative of that is. We just did it. We don't have to go through the whole process again. So the second derivative, the derivative of this is x e to the x plus e to the x. The derivative of that is this. I just took the derivative of that. And then the derivative of this is plus e to the x. So I can simplify that. The second derivative is x e to the x plus 2 e to the x. Okay? Let's take the third derivative and see if we can find a pattern. The third derivative, the derivative of this, we already did originally. X e to the x plus e to the x. The derivative of this is e to the x times 2. 2 e to the x. And if I simplify that, it's x e to the x plus 3 e to the x. What are all the derivatives going to look like? Just like this, but this number is going to be the number of derivative you're on, right? So the nth derivative is going to be x e to the x plus n e to the x. That's the nth derivative right there.